Hi, how are you all doing? Today we are going to talk about an integration problem using partial fractions, but hey, I will take a minute of your time and mention that I have solved all kinds of math problems, showing easy steps which are easy to follow, and you can use them to improve your grades, okay? So please do not hesitate anymore and subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. Okay, let's get started now. A model for predicted cost C in hundreds of thousands of dollars for a company to remove P% of chemical from wastewater is given as C is equal to 124 P divided by 10 plus P multiplied by 100 minus P when P is between 0 and 100 inclusive. Use this model to find the average cost of removing between 75% and 80% of the chemical. Solutions average cost is 1 over 80 minus 75. Integration limits from 75 to 80, 124p plus divided by 10 plus p times 100 minus p dp. Our average cost is 124 taken outside the integration divided by 5. Integration from 75 to 80 p over 10 plus p times 100 minus p dp. Now, p over 10 plus p times 100 minus p can be written as a in terms of two partial fractions, a divided by 10 plus p plus b divided by 100 minus p. Now, if we remove the common denominator 10 plus p times 100 minus p from the denominator on both sides, we get p is equal to a times 100 minus p plus b times 10 plus p. So when p is equal to 100, 100 is equal to a times 100 minus 100, which is 0, plus b 10 plus 100. Or 100 is equal to b times 110. So b is equal to 100 divided by 110 is 10 over 11. Similarly, when p is equal to minus 10, then minus 10 for p is equal to minus 10 is equal to a 100 minus p. So 100 minus 10 is 100 plus 10 plus b 10 minus 10. So that's gone. B is gone. It's 0. So minus 10 is equal to a times 110. Hence a is equal to minus 10 over 110, which is minus 1 over 11. So average cost is 124 divided by 5. Integration from 75 to 80, limits of integration is minus, plug in, substituting the value of a is minus 1 over 11, 10 plus 1 divided by 10 plus p plus 10 over 11 multiplied by 1 divided by 100 minus p. So we will take the 11 from the denominator outside the integration to get 124 divided by 5 times 11. Integration from 75 to 80 minus 1 over 10 plus p plus 10 over 100 minus p dp. Now, so in the outside the parenthesis, we have 124 divided by 55. And then the first integration is minus ln absolute value of 10 plus p minus 10 ln absolute value of 100 minus p. Okay. So this can be simplified using the rules of logarithm. As if you take the minus sign out, you have minus 124 divided by 55, and the minus sign is taken out. Both of them are plus. So using the rules of logarithm, this is multiplication ln 10 plus p times 100 minus p, and that minus the plus 10 becomes an exponent term. And the limits are from 75 to 80. Now we will substitute the upper limit and the lower limit. So minus 124 over 55 ln 10 plus 80 times 100 minus 80 raised to the power of 10 minus ln 10 plus 75, and then 100 minus 75 raised to the power of 10. So now using calculator, this will work out to minus 124 over 55 in parenthesis 34.457 minus 36.631. Our average cost is 4.90 100,000. or 490,000. So I will stop here today. If you have any question, comment, please write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Of course, you can also communicate with me using my WhatsApp, which is 1-856-685-8226, which is also given in the third line of the description panel. So please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And I will see you next time with another interesting problem on integration. Take care. Have a nice day.